Hello dear subscribers and visitors of my channel. Today we will start a conversation about the past tense in Russian language. In my next grammar lessons, I will show you all paradigms of its formation and will tell you about the use of the verb aspect. But today we will focus on some general things which are the source of mistakes that many foreigners make. Therefore, I think this video will be useful for both beginners and advanced students. So, let's get started. In 95% of situations, the past tense in Russian is formed in a very easy way. You must replace the infinitive ending t by l, la, lo, li, depending on the gender of the subject. Let's see how it works with the verb работать, to work. A male person says, Я работал, I worked. A female person says, Я работала, I worked. Talking to a male person, you should say, Ты работал, you worked. Talking to a female person, you should say, Ты работала, you worked. Talking about a male person, we say Он работал, Антон работал, Мой брат работал. Talking about a female person, we say Она работала, Марина работала, Моя сестра работала. If the subject is a neuter gender noun, we add lo. Устройство работало. The device worked. In the plural number, we add li. Мы работали. Вы работали. Они работали. Антон и Марина работали. Мои сестры работали. Most of reflexive verbs in the past tense end by лся, лась, лось, лись. Учиться, to study, learn to do something. Мой брат учился в университете. My brother studied at the university. Моя сестра училась хорошо. My sister studied well. Поколение моих родителей обычно училось не в университетах, а в училищах и техникумах. My parents' generation usually did not study at universities, but at colleges and technical schools. В прошлом году мы с сестрой учились ездить на мотоцикле. Last year, my sister and I learned to ride a motorcycle. And now I will give you some important notes so that you will be able to avoid some typical mistakes regarding the verb gender. Dear subscribers, I would like as many people as possible to see this information. Please help me promote this video by leaving a like and subscribing to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And now, let's see those useful notes. The pronoun кто, who, is masculine. Кто это сделал? Who did this? Кто открыл окно? Who opened the window? The same is true for the indefinite pronouns derived from кто, like кое-кто, кто-то, кто-нибудь, кто-либо, which mean someone or anyone, and никто, no one. Кто-нибудь из вас был в Канаде? Have any of you been to Canada? Мне кажется, кто-то стучал в дверь. It seems to me that someone knocked on the door. Никто об этом не знал. Nobody knew about it. The pronoun «что» is neuter. Что было не так? What was wrong? Что случилось? What happened? Что вас так удивило? What surprised you so much? The same is true for the sentences with the pronouns кое-что, что-то, что-нибудь, что-либо, which mean something, anything, and ничто, nothing. На работе произошло кое-что странное. Something strange happened at work. Что-то пошло не так. Something went wrong. Ничто не предвещало беды. Nothing foreshadowed trouble. Now let's see how to say that someone had something. The noun дом, house, is masculine. So we say у меня был дом. I had a house. The noun машина, car, is feminine. Consequently, we say у меня была машина. I had a car. The noun молоко, milk, is neuter. У меня было молоко. I had milk. Talking about more than one object, we use the form были. У меня были проблемы. I had problems. If you want to say that someone didn't have something, the neuter form было is used regardless of the noun gender and number, but noun takes the genitive case. У меня не было дома. I didn't have a house. У меня не было машины. I didn't have a car. У меня не было молока. I didn't have milk. У меня не было проблем. I didn't have problems. If you need more details about how to say someone had, you can see my video about this topic. The link is in the description. All that I said is true for the structure there was, there were. На этой улице был дом. There was a house on the street. В гараже была машина. There was a car in the garage. В стакане было молоко. There was milk in the glass. В моей жизни были проблемы. There were problems in my life. На этой улице не было дома. There was no house on the street. В гараже не было машины. There was no car in the garage. В стакане не было молока. There was no milk in the glass. В моей жизни не было проблем. There have been no problems in my life. Now let's consider the situations when we use the neuter gender in the past. The neuter gender is used with infinitives. Было приятно с тобой поговорить. It was nice to talk to you. Сказать правду значило потерять работу. To tell the truth meant losing my job. У меня не получилось написать этот отчет. I was unable to write this report. Мне не удалось дозвониться до Антона. I could not get through to Anton. Мне понравилось кататься на лошади. I enjoyed riding a horse. The neuter gender is used when we denote the full date. Неделю назад было 3 декабря. It was the 3rd of December a week ago. Also, the neuter gender is used with quote phrases. Я немного опоздаю значило я приду на 2 часа позже. I'll be late meant I'll come 2 hours later. However, if the sentence contains such words as фраза, надпись, сообщение, название, and so on, the verb agrees with these words. Фраза «я немного опоздаю» значила «я приду на 2 часа позже». Because the word фраза is feminine. Ответ «я немного опоздаю» значил «я приду на 2 часа позже». Because ответ is masculine. Normally, we use the neuter gender with the words denoting quantity. В магазине было много людей. There were a lot of people in the store. У Марины было несколько кошек. Marina had several cats. Сколько ученых приехало на эту конференцию? How many scientists came to this conference? Sometimes it's recommended to put the verb in the plural number, but this is a complex topic and maybe I will consider it in one of my future videos. In Russian language, there are so-called impersonal sentences where the subject is not manifested. Such sentences usually describe situations, states, and natural phenomena. Рассвело. It dawned. Стемнело. It got dark. Недавно у нас похолодало. Not so long ago, it got colder here. На прошлой неделе у нас потеплело. It got warmer here last week. Ему было жарко. He felt hot. На улице было пасмурно. It was cloudy outside. Было трудно решить эту проблему. It was difficult to solve this problem. Дорогу замело. The road got covered with snow. Все улицы затопило. All the streets got flooded. Нам не хватало денег. We lacked money. Вчера в нашем городе было холодно. It was cold in our city yesterday. В комнате было темно. It was dark in the room. Когда Антон пришел, было 5 часов вечера. When Anton arrived, it was 5 p.m. Тебе повезло. Lucky you. As for the numbers, here the verb gender depends on the last digit of the number. If the number ends in 1, 21, 31, 41, and so on, the verb agrees in gender with the noun. У меня был один компьютер. Because computer is masculine. На столе стояла 51 свеча. Because свеча is feminine. У Марины было 21 платье. Because платье is neuter. The same is true when we denote the age. Андрею был 1 год. Андрею был 41 год. With other numbers, we use the neuter gender. У меня было 2 квартиры. Андрею было 32 года. Прошло 25 лет. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. In the description, there is a small exercise. If you do it, please write your solutions in the comment section. I will definitely check them and give my comments. If you have any questions or doubts, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments too. As I mentioned at the beginning of the lesson, the next video will be devoted to the formation of the past tense and about exceptions. This was Evgeny Yeliseyev on the channel Russian Language in Detail. Thanks again for watching. All the best. See you soon.